And then on top of that, Amazon has very strict requirements on what the file has to sound like like the different hertz and like audible ranges and all this technical stuff that I really don't know a lot about. So when you upload, it gives you feedback on the quality of the file and whether they accept it or not. So not only do you have to go through this entire process to record it and edit it, when you upload, there's this moment of anxiety where it's like, are they even going to accept the file to begin with? And sometimes they don't. So now you got to go back and change your settings, and it was tough. It was tough. But thank you for that feedback. I hope you guys enjoy the audiobook. It was important for me to launch with an audiobook because I love audiobooks. It's the way that I learn best. There's a lot of research out there about, some people learn better by reading. Some people learn by reading and then taking notes. Some people learn better by listening. I'm somebody who does better by listening. If I listen to an audiobook, I can remember it 20 years later. I remember audiobooks that I read decades ago or that I heard decades ago. It's just the way that I learn best. So it was really important for me to have an audiobook out there.